Welcome, guys. Crypto FUD. Happy Friday. Let's jump right into it. So we have DAPPRADAR. Radar is what it will be called. Gonna touch base on that. If you guys have been following the channel, we previously covered DAPPRADAR in a couple of different videos. Just gonna point out, and I do want to disclose, I do not own any DAPPRADAR as of right now. Unfortunately, I did sell a little back, probably about a week ago, before we really saw a nice jump up. It was up when I sold, and basically moved those funds into a different coin. But you know, no love lost. Shout out to everybody that's stuck with DAPPRADAR and that just keeps adding into their bag. So basically, what I have drawn out here is what I wanted to show is what I've noticed this time around with DAP is it's naturally going up. A lot of times, and I'm going to point it out, is when DAPPRADAR sees some nice growth, it usually will be very fast and short-lived. You'll see these just slow bleeds and then a shoot up, you know, somewhere like 100, 200%, and then a slow bleed, stagnant, maybe a little pump, stagnant, down, shoots up. This one was like a 300% gain, and slow bleed, and then possibly a nice little run up right here. See, when I saw the shoot up right here is when I sold, because typically I'm going by history, and right now, like I explained before, the environment that we're in right now, I don't see coins that are going to just naturally just continue to just grow as of right now. I think that they'll have some periods where they're going to be running up, and then I just think that they're going to basically just get back into line with everything else, where it'll kind of just start trickling back down. Unfortunately, that's the environment that we're in. But what I wanted to point out here was that this was just a natural growth here as far as this run up here, and it's, if I map it out, I believe if we actually go from the actual bottom to where I have that finger pointed, that's a 93% gain right there, and that's within let me see this date here. Yeah, it's the 16th, December 16th. So about 2 weeks exactly, it's gone up almost 100%. So what do I expect is, you know, this natural growth is good. I honestly think that we're going to see some growth in here. I don't think that it's going to shoot up to 5 cents as of right now. I think that we are seeing some retracements back down, but it's nothing crazy. If you see, it got sold off right here, came out of this channel, and it looks like it wants to go right back into this channel. And if you see previously, it actually came out of the channel right here, and you thought that maybe we were going to start heading back down, and nope. Right there where I have this finger, it shot back up another 20-30% to get itself right back into that channel and move itself right back up. Right now it sits at about 0.008997, so you could call it basically 0.009, almost a penny. It's 10% down from 1 penny. So what do I expect? Like I keep saying, I think that we're going to see some possible growth. We don't know how much higher it's going to go up, because with DAPPRADAR, its history is it'll have these nice run-ups, and it'll kind of start trickling down. It's not a crazy fall, like just drops 50% out of nowhere, but it'll slowly bleed down. The only reason why I pulled up the previous 6 months is because this was different from the other months where it shot up 200% and then it went right back down. This looks like just a slow, natural buy-in from a lot of retail investors. DAP did just get listed onto another exchange, which is a plus, which is awesome. I think that's contributing to a lot more buying in as far as with the token. So this could be a different runaround. We could see somewhere possibly. And if I pull up actually where we might have some slight resistance and maybe some support is there's really not much. If you go back before these crazy, I mean, look at these crazy jump ups. If you were able to buy in and get into here, I mean, you're talking some awesome gains, 400-500% gains. But to get back on track, it looks like maybe some support somewhere around a penny. So we'll possibly see that as resistance for right now and keep testing it. If we can break over that 1 penny mark, then I possibly will think that we'll maybe move up to maybe like start moving up a little over a penny, obviously like maybe 1.1, 1.2. But I honestly, if history repeats itself for right now, unless we start running on a bull run with Bitcoin and all the other coins, I honestly see DAPPRADAR eventually finding some support around 0.008, where it's at basically right now. Or we could see a nice run up and maybe finding some support over a penny. But I do think that eventually it's going to find some ground where it's going to stay put, and it's going to stay there until we can get into this nice bull run. But even buying in right now, I would be a little hesitant. But if you're looking at a long-term play, the market cap's around $7 million. So that's a micro market cap in regards to crypto. And if we see a run up in the whole market, this coin could explode like you saw in previous times. So we'll keep monitoring the coin, DAPPRADAR. You can buy this on Huobi, I believe that's how you pronounce it, crypto.com. And there's another exchange, I want to say it's OKY, I believe it is. I'm not familiar with it. I'll have to do my research a little bit more on that one, but it's another exchange. You can also, I believe you can also trade this on like Uniswap and all that other stuff. And believe it or not, you can get DAPPRADAR on the Chronos DeFi wallet as well. If you want to trade, I believe through the VVS platform, you can trade your CRO over to DAPPRADAR, and you can buy it directly off your DeFi wallet as well if you don't even want to put it onto the crypto.com app. So that's about it. It's where I'm going to leave it. Thank you guys so much. I'll have some more videos coming out on some other coins. Thank you.